Hi there everyone, my name is Pritam and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, I'll be talking with you about how you can install the famous Mozilla Firefox browser to your PC. Now for that, you will click on Windows button. So just press Windows button and now try to search for Microsoft Edge browser, which comes pre-installed with Microsoft Windows. If you couldn't find it, just type Edge here. I will be typing EDGE and here we go. We can see this browser. Now just make a click on it. As soon as you will click, the Microsoft Edge browser will open. Now type here www.google.com. After that, type here download Mozilla Firefox. And press enter. Now here you can see this first link. Just click on it. If you couldn't land on this page, then don't worry guys, I will provide the link of the same page in the description of this video so that you can directly access to this page. Okay. Now what next we need to do is we need to click here on download Firefox. Now the Firefox browser will get downloaded. Now here we can see we have downloaded the Firefox installer. Now click on open file. If in case the Firefox installer did not get downloaded or you don't know from where I can see it that whether I have downloaded it or not, then you require to press Ctrl and J. So I will be pressing Ctrl and J button together and now I can see my downloads. Here in this particular scenario, I have downloaded this Firefox installer. If in case you couldn't download it, then you can click here on this button which says try downloading again. Now here I can see the Firefox installer got downloaded again. So it really doesn't matter whether I'm going to open this file or this file because both files will install Mozilla Firefox. Now simply click on open file. Now the prompt will appear and you require to select yes. After that you can see the process of installation has begun. So just wait for the process to get ended. And in this way, guys, we have successfully installed Mozilla Firefox browser. I hope that you find this helpful. Now we will click here on not now and we will see this beautiful interface which is asking us to import password and bookmark and other setting from Microsoft Edge. So you can simply choose not now if you don't want to import anything. Now here you can choose the kind of theme that you want to have. For example, you want dark theme, so you can choose dark theme. If you want to choose system theme, you can choose system theme, or this one which is brand new. So I'm going to choose this theme and now I will click on save. And now we can see we have successfully installed Firefox. The last thing that I want to talk about is how you can pin Mozilla Firefox to your taskbar. For that, click here on Windows button and search for Firefox. Now make a right click and select pin to taskbar. Now you do not need to worry about Mozilla Firefox because you will always find it here in your taskbar despite you close it. Okay, so anytime you want to open Mozilla Firefox, you can simply click on it. If you want to change the position of Mozilla Firefox, simply drag it and place it wherever you want. Okay, so that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.